Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 25, class 10th science life processes. Aerobic respiration's pathway depends on oxygen. Aerobic organisms need to ensure that there is a sufficient intake of oxygen. All green plants breathe through the process of cellular respiration. Respiration in plants. Diffusion is the method by which exchange of gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen, takes place through stomata and the large intercellular spaces. Ensure that all the cells are in direct contact with air. Stomata in leaf and lenticels in hard and woody stems are the respiratory organs. Here you can see stomata open and closed. When there is enough water in the guard cells, यानी जब गार्ड सेल्स में काफ़ी पानी होता है तो ये ओपन हो जाते हैं, नहीं तो ये क्लोज रहते हैं अगर वाटर कम होता है तो. Respiration. All parts of the plant respire, but the main respiratory organ of plant is leaf. Gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide enters leaf through stomata. During daytime, photosynthesis and respiration takes place simultaneously. However, photosynthesis is the more vigorous of the two processes. During daytime, photosynthesis takes place in leaf. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is taken in and oxygen diffuse out of the leaf through stomata. During night, photosynthesis does not take place. Oxygen diffuses through the stomata into the leaf. Carbon dioxide and water vapors are given out. Terrestrial organisms breathe by using atmospheric oxygen, whereas aquatic organisms take oxygen dissolved in water. Oxygen level is high in atmosphere when it is compared to oxygen in water. Hence, terrestrial organisms need not breathe fast to obtain oxygen, whereas aquatic organisms need to breathe faster to get require oxygen. It means aquatic animal जो जल में रहते हैं वो उनकी स्पीड सांस लेने की ज़्यादा होती है, और टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल जो कि लैंड में रहते हैं वो उनकी कंपैरेटिवली तुलनात्मक रूप से कम होती है. रेस्पिरेशन इन फिश. The respiratory organ of fish is gills. These gills are connected with blood vessels for exchange of gases. These gills help the aquatic species to utilize the oxygen dissolved in the water. The gills continuously keep on moving and take the water through its mouth and forces it through the gills. As water passes through the thin walls of the gills, the dissolved oxygen moves into blood vessel and travel to the different cells and tissues of the body of the fish. The carbon dioxide produced during respiration is brought back by the blood into the gills for expelling it and into the surrounding water. Characteristics of respiratory surface. It must be thin, it must be permeable to respiratory gases, it must be moist either with water or mucus, it should have a large surface area, it must be in direct or indirect contact with source of oxygen. Let us practice some questions. Name the respiratory organ of a plant and draw the diagram of that part of a plant which help in the exchange of gases. The main respiratory organ of plant is leaf. Gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange through stomata and through lenticels in hard and woody stem. You can make these diagrams. This is stomata. Gaseous exchange take place here. How do plants breathe? Plants breathe through stomata. Oxygen diffuses through the stomata into the leaf and carbon dioxide given out. Do plants breathe at night? During night, plants takes oxygen and release carbon dioxide, and during daytime, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen through stomata as photosynthesis takes place. How does a fish breathe? Fish breathe through its gills. Fish takes the water through its mouth and forces it through the gills. As water passes through the thin wall of the gills, the dissolved oxygen moves into blood, and carbon dioxide from the blood vessels move into water. And the next question, what are the three characteristics of respiratory surface? आप इसमें से कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, 5 गिवन है, तो 5 में से कोई भी 3 आप लिख सकते हैं.